touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that
Are you gonna say hello to my camera?
Hello!
Yoo-hoo! We at the forest. We different forest, not the same forest as last time, no?
It is a new one.
It is a new one.
It's not as big as the other one was. And the other one was also the biking.
Oh yeah, the mountain bikey foresty that we had to.
We had to be
deal with.
Careful, but we were actually very lucky.
We
just
were.
saw one.
Yes, and everything else, it was just like quiet and just us. And we even had that bench with the view. Do you remember that?
Yes. I don't think we have benches here, but again, if this is a flop, we are going to go back to the other one.
Yes. Otherwise, we have jackets. We can sit on jackets.
And we have tarot cards.
We also, of course, we have tarot cards.
Yes.
Would we go anywhere without them?
No. So, oh my god.
And we have a little bit of food. And we have a little bit of drink in case anybody was worried about me, because we all know that I have a very strict diet these days.
Yes.
So, but we are taking care of that. We are.
Yes.
We are not being irresponsible.
We are not. We would never do that.
Ahoo!
Ahoo!
Oh, look at you go.
Aww, do I have a wish now? Entertainment, guys, entertainment! Whoa, okay. Yeah. I think we should be better at doing that this time.
Yes, though I'm not very good at it. I don't know what makes good B-roll, but I just do stuff and then I put it together and hope for the best.
Exactly, I was just about to say, you just do it.
Wait, is this? Nope. I was like, is this zoomed in? But it was not. Are we going down here?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Oh boy.
Finally. From what I remember, the path might be a little, you know... Like
Little bumpy.
So, yeah.
It's a doggo forest.
And they have
Look at
those,
this.
what you call oxo.
Oh, no, it's not bison. Ox? Is it actually just called an ox?
Oh, maybe. An ox.
I don't know. This is so cute!
Oh, that's cute. It's very cute. Look, guys. A forest.
So, what you're telling me is that it's harder to get lost in this forest? Or what?
Yeah, because, yeah. Oh my god, yes. Oh, yes. You guys remember? We had a freak out.
Well, we didn't know where we were going. Oh, and also the bird, do you remember that?
Oh god, yeah. Oh shit, that was dramatic.
If you guys haven't seen it, I will link it up in the top right corner so you guys can go watch that, because it was dramatic there for a split second.
Oh my god, hey, something fell.
Oh, look at that tree though.
The enchanted forest. Oh, look at the bark.
It does look enchanted almost.
Right? Oh, there's also the cabin here.
Oh, that goes.
Last time.
Is that not up where we?
Well,
is that
no,
parked the car?
So maybe we can go that way.
Go back up that way? I think that's where we parked the car.
I think so. This is adventure.
Adventure time!
It's almost like being in an island again.
Sort of. We're missing a few empty houses, but apart from that...
We can't wait to get back on the road and do haunted and abandoned places again.
Yes. Oh my god. When all this stuff is over.
Exactly. Let's try that. Is that mushroom on the tree?
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh my god. I know this is like, you know, both me and Kiri really have, you know, we have been on lockdown. We haven't done like...
I mean, let's be honest here. How different from lockdown to our usual life is lockdown actually?
It's actually
not a lot.
No.
Not a lot. Our life is just lockdown in general.
I think that's why it's been so easy.
Yeah. But I mean, if you're an extrovert, I get that it's really hard. But for me, it's like, eh.
Yeah, well, I think I have both sides in me.
Yeah, probably.
Oh my god, they're kissing! Teresa, kissing!
It does look like it's like almost about to fall.
Right? Oh my god, also over here. But it's actually pretty impressive that we can walk here, because last time I was here with a model, you could...
No? Was it like all overgrown?
All over the place.
Maybe they made this afterwards.
That's why I had an idea, I wanted to take like a machete. And Kiri was like, maybe not.
Maybe let's not do that.
But there's a very cute witch in there, here.
Ooh, we like that.
Another forest tree. Oh, that was you? Oh.
No, it's not. It's not me. It's you getting caught on everything.
Oh, okay.
It's your cape.
It's my cape.
I think it's a bird.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it is a bird. Look.
Can you see the bird?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gone. Another fallen tree.
We have a lot of those.
Yeah. Alrighty. Oh, it looks pretty.
Oh yeah, it does. Look at that.
Look at that.
All dead and super tall.
There's something in the pathway. Oh, it's because there's something on that. I don't know what that is. Oh, maybe it's a fence.
Oh yeah, I think it is.
I lost it.
Don't touch that, baby.
Maybe.
I mean, otherwise let me just get it on camera.
Oh, that's been a big tree once.
Oh yeah, it has.
Are you ready?
Are we allowed to go in here?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go.
Otherwise it would be also.
I am in. Boop. Let go.
Look how cute this is.
Oh.
It's big, but you know, once upon a time there was those animals here. Oh, look at the flowers! Oh, the little
tiny ones. Look at that.
Oh, listen to this view. We can do a reel here.
We should actually. This is super cute.
It really is.
We should go down all the way this way.
How adorable is this?
And all the way this way. Why is it that we always end up filming on like bridges we're clearly both scared of being on?
Well, this feels actually more solid.
This feels sturdy.
I made a witchy shoot here with a model sitting here in
Oh, you
a
did?
witchy costume. Yeah.
That's cute. Right there.
If I can find a picture, I will.
Include it.
Yeah. But also, just look at this. The forest is not as heavy as it once was.
No?
It's very bare now. But it's just. Yeah. And. Oh! Again, I have no clue what's up there.
You've never been up there?
No.
Huh.
Not from what I remember. So, again, we are going on adventure.
Well,
But we found our film spot.
yes, so we're coming back there for sure.
Yeah. And here, up against this tree, I took pictures of a naked model.
Of a naked model.
Of a naked model. Yeah.
Well, I mean, there's probably not gonna be a lot of people like thinking by and seeing stuff.
Very, very. They are so tall.
The trees?
Yeah.
Yeah, like something else.
God. Could you imagine climbing that?
Nope.
Nope.
It's the short answer for that.
Actually. Should we try?
Why not?
This is so cute. Oop. Oh my god. Okay. Woo. Oh shit.
Yikes.
Okay. So, Ellebelle.
Let's look more foresty.
Should we try? Okay. And if you want to go forest, we go in there. If you see a house or something.
I can't believe you've never been up here.
Maybe, but then it's many years ago. I know that my mom actually took a picture of me and a friend eating those dingies.
Oh.
And I can't remember if it was. In there or here. I can't remember. If I can find it, I will post it. So we can make this view goes too. Damn, it's hot today.
It is hot, it's very nice. Whoops. Oh. I nearly tripped. If I did trip, you should have caught that on camera.
Oh my
because
god. Don't trip.
that would have been right into the
No,
electric.
don't do that. Oh my god, Kiri. I would have gotten a heart attack or something. But it's very close to it.
Yep.
Well,
So watch where we're walking.
yeah, I like it. Must.
It looks like the kind of forest you can get lost in, honestly.
Oh god, yeah. Oh yeah, especially at night. Oh, a new something.
A new thingy.
Yeah, a new thing. Well, the question is, should we try to see what's at the end?
Yes.
Also, you can always turn around. Ooh, you're pretty.
That is gorgeous.
I don't know what you are, but
We don't know shit about plants.
oh, okay. Is that a? Oh my god, that is a mirror too.
It is.
Oh my god, Kiri. There's a mirror taking something, or carrying something. Holy banana, that's a lot of mirror. What's it called again? Ants?
It's called a nest.
But the tiny ones. God damn it, that's a lot.
Oh yeah, ants. Yeah.
Well, we are not going that way.
It's always giving me the
Jibby.
heebie-jeebies. I always start to itch everywhere for no
Oh
reason.
god, yeah, I just had it. Is that a person?
Yep, that's a person.
It looks like a tall person because it's so far away. Wait. Well. Oh, that was glad.
Don't fall. We have things to do and stuff to film.
Oh, there's another.
Oh, cute.
What is this? Because it looks. Oh, that's color. What is this? That looks a little sketchy.
This one is all crooked and stuff.
You see the view and the. What? There's no
It looks like that tree just grew up and made the whole bridge crooked.
Oh, it surely did. It's a new one.
Sturdy?
Okay. Oh. Okay. Three.
Be careful.
Yes.
There's a can.
I don't know why.
I would reach that and get it out of here, but I really don't want to fall.
No.
You did it!
Woohoo!
My turn! I don't know if you look down, but it's actually kind of far down.
Oh, it is a little bit.
Oh,
It's also because it is like, you know.
it's lopsided.
Yeah.
Yep, we survived.
Lopsided.
Ooh, pathway. Left turn.
Here?
Yes.
Ooh, hello. Forest.
And now we officially don't know where we are anymore. Welcome to Narnia. We're missing a wardrobe.
A door.
Imagine if we actually found a wardrobe out here.
Oh my god, that would be crazy. I kind of wish we could. Now we are, you know, where we have never been. Well, that is crunchy. Where are we, Kiri?
Nobody knows.
Oh my god. It is a pathway, so
It is. Clearly you're meant to be walking here.
exactly.
See it behind us right there.
Huh?
Camera.
Oh.
No, I did, but I was talking to the camera. Yes.
But there's this forest as far as the eye reaches.
Yep.
Oh!
Bird.
Oh, no, it's gone.
Bye, bird.
I do not know what to call that.
Blackbird.
Oh! I don't know if that's like tiny poop.
Maybe.
What the heck? Close to the road. Oh, what is this? What am I seeing? Are we going for it?
Yeah, of course we are. We are exploring. Look at that, all the way out in the distance out there.
There's something.
About to get dark.
Going into another country or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it suddenly really got. Not sure you guys can see it, but it's good. What? Because it looks like plastic on the ground, no?
Yeah. Maybe it's some kind of farm thing.
Or something in my atmosphere.
Oh, this looks like some construction something.
Oh. So it's
Weird place to have it though, no?
Yes. You guys don't see any more of us, you know. Something happened. It's Leah is this strange. We always find strange things, doesn't we?
If anyone can explain this.
You do.
Well, I said clearly construction, but obviously I don't know.
I don't get this. I don't get this. What is this? I have no clue. Because it's been here for a long time, I think.
Yeah. These are not like super fresh.
No.
But they're not super old either.
No. Well, we clearly can't really go any further here.
No.
And I wonder what they're trying to do with it.
That's
Because
a good
it
question.
looks like it goes way more down there.
Yeah.
If anyone knows,
Let us know because we are confused.
I feel bad for, the forest because it's plastic.
Yeah. I think they're gonna remove it again. Maybe they're doing this with the intention of like building it back up because you have all the logs back there.
Oh yeah. That could actually be. Well,
Should we go back or?
we have nature plates.
I actually kind of adore those.
Right? It's cute. They're just laying here. We actually should just,
Should we just jack two?
yeah. Nah, guys, because you guys are going to see this, you know, on pictures.
Oh, these are super cute.
They are
Imagine like you could do pictures with them and stuff.
Yes, exactly.
We just need to lay them out to dry.
Yeah, we can do this when you get back. Can we do this? I really adore this.
I've actually been looking for one of these for a while, and I considered buying one of those. I was like,
Well, of course we needed to go here because you manifested that in a very strange way. Actually.
in a very strange way.
I really adore it. Well, there you go, people.
That happened.
That happened.
Let it go.
Let it go.
And let's not mention this to anyone ever again.
You guys didn't see anything. You didn't hear anything.
But they were laying on the path where we were allowed to be.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes. Nemlig.
Namely.
Nemlig.
But it's weird to have them in those slices, right?
It
like
is.
To cut them there and then leave them.
I don't.
Because it was work to cut them in the first place, you know?
Exactly. I don't get the whole entire situation back there.
Very strange. Also,
Very strange. Do not fall.
apparently I can't stand on my feet either.
So remember to go follow us on Instagram if you guys want to.
If you want to see them in use.
Yes.
And maybe get some inspiration.
Exactly. Oh my god. Could you imagine putting tarot cards on them?
Yes. And crystals and...
Crystals. Thank you, Mother Nature.
Thank you.
She's like, yep.
Yep. You know it.
There's a reason why we needed to go here.
Oh, look at this.
The sunshine.
This is pretty. I actually think I want to take a picture of this. We always get magic.
We always, it's you know, again, there's no coincidences when me and Kiri are adventuring or traveling or together.
The world gives, you just have to ask for it.
Exactly. And Kiri manifested that.
Yes.
That's the thing with manifesting. You have to just send the wish out and wait for it to come.
Also, it takes time because this is not something that I have been trying to manifest for like 2 weeks. This is something like since winter.
Exactly.
And this is a small thing. Like,
yeah. But you
stuff
got
takes
it in the
time.
most perfect way because
I
you could
did.
easily have bought it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
You got it for free.
I did get it for free.
Yoo-hoo! Victory!
Yes.
I like this. I do.
We are heading back the same way, right?
Yes, yes, we are.
You should think I would know because we've been walking in a straight line. But
Everything looks like the same.
it does.
But it is way easier than the other one. The other forest.
The other one is very up and down and up and down.
It was. Oh my god. And again, we have to be careful with bikers and stuff.
Yeah.
Mountain, I don't know what you call them. Bicycling thingies.
Bike people.
Bike people. And they are going fast.
Yes. Don't think there's any bike people here.
No. It looks like something was fighting off the tree now.
So
Because it's like, you know, maybe because it's a bit random. I don't know.
something did a thing.
Yeah, but maybe it's just dead. I don't know. What animal was that?
What did this?
What did it?
Nature investigators of the world let us know.
Oh my god, by the way, that tree looks very dark in the middle of the forest.
Oh yeah.
There's one tree that's very,
Like super black.
yeah. Let's not go that way.
No.
Yeah, no. Oh. Tiny butterflies, baby butterfly.
Hi.
Hi. Well,
We're gonna do so much nature stuff.
we can
Yes.
climb a tree, maybe not, but you know, one day. One day we will climb a tree. Oh yeah, we have to go over the bridge again.
Oh no.
Oh no! We did it once.
Yes. But we are gonna do it one at a time because I don't trust it that much.
But it's good for our, you know, like, courage, or what you call it.
Yes.
Doing it?
Yes.
Yes.
Very, very carefully.
Very. Like that sometimes our accents just change.
Yes. No questions.
No questions. That's how it is. It will be worse. Is that baby I don't know what you call it.
I don't know.
Oh my god, blinded.
Baby pine cones.
Hey, what is that? Is that a big bird or is that an animal? In the distance. Do you see it?
I think it's a bird.
Oh, it's a big bird.
Maybe I can zoom in.
Hey. Maybe it's a raven.
Oh yeah, now you can see it.
Oh, look at it. Oh, that is beautiful with the tree down there. That is, oh. Damn. Oh, yes. It's been there for a while.
Grandma tree.
Yeah, yes. I wonder if this is actually the one that we saw in the other forest, you know, the canal. The,
Maybe.
Not the river, what do you call that? Is it a river? No.
The beck.
Could be. Because we never found the end of it.
We didn't. We didn't try to either, to be fair.
No. I think we went, or we walked around for 3 or 4 hours or something like that.
We did. It was a long time. Took most of the day.
Really good. Really good. Oh. Our daily workout done. Almost. We have souvenirs.
Yes. I'm very excited for those.
But no animals.
No. Plenty of birds though.
Huh?
Plenty of birds.
Yeah, yeah. Many birds. Many birds. What are we doing? Should we do tarot?
We can. Watch out for the poop on the other side.
Oh my god, I didn't even see that. Damn. Oh my god, it's really going down here. Don't realize that until we get to walk.
Ready for the smack?
Wait.
Boom. Oh yeah, that is kind of steep. It did not seem this steep on the way up.
No, it didn't. No, it felt very,
So that's settled then. We're not going here in winter.
no, 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 no. We go. Oh my god. We can just fly down. Okay, going around.
Maybe good idea.
That's crazy. Oh my god. You are big.
You're a big sturdy boy.
Yes. You needed a little slap.
There's a smackaroonie.
Maybe when we get back, we would have time. Oh, okay. Whoa, are you drunk, Sandra? Maybe when we get back, we have the time to show the
Sheebies!
Kiri.
I mean, we've not been gone for that long, to be fair.
So this is our
Filming spot today. We did not bring the tall tripods, did we?
No, we did not. This is adorable. I can't believe that we find gold moments like this.
We did.
There's another big tree falling over there.
Yeah. Way in the distance.
Well,
we should probably not venture too far from our things either.
no, no. No, let's not do that. The Kiri and the back. Don't know if it's called the back in American, but
Back? Probably not. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say nope.
What do you call these people? Now we just need like a witch house next to it. Then,
Yes. We could build it right there.
oh, that was
Right
a big
there.
bee.
Bumblebee?
Oh, yeah. There was a big bee here. That was
Bumblebee.
funny.
The science of bumblebees are weird.
Oh yeah. Woo! Hello, son. Welcome back. Where are you? Right there. Oh, it's nice.
It is
real
nice.
nice.
And also not too warm.
Yeah, we don't like warm.
Like you can exist in this weather, which is very nice. We appreciate existing.
Especially in hot water. Hot weather.
That would be a bathtub.
We are not in a bathtub.
No.
I
Shall
hope
we-
you guys enjoyed this.
I hope everybody enjoyed it too.
Because it's like, especially for you guys who are living in a country where you don't really can get out like this in the forest.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, there's probably countries where they don't have this stuff, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am pretty sure about that actually.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed and enjoy all the nature walks and fun stuff that we are gonna be doing for the next few days. Yep. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Adieu.
Adieu.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds.